Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to solve questions in part of freezing point depression. Question number 1 is this one. When 15 grams of glucose is dissolved in 50 grams of solvent with a relative molecular mass of 80 grams per mole, freezing point was replaced by 80 degrees Celsius. Using the data, calculate the freezing point depression constant for the solvent. So from here we can say solution, and in the part of data given, we are given a mass of solute Ms is equal to 15 grams. Then we are given mass of solvent Mv is equal to 50 grams. Then from there, this is the relative molecular mass of glucose. Ukicalculate 6 mara 12 plus 12 mara 1 jumlisha 16 mara 6, utapata molar mass of solute is sawa na 180 gram per mole. But also we are given the freezing point depression, change in T is equal to 80 degrees Celsius. So as we know, from freezing point deflation is equal to Kf mass of solid mara 1 divided by molar mass of solid mass of solvent. What we are required to find in this question is Kf, which is the freezing point deflation constant Kf. So tutasema Kf is equal to, kimake subject tutakuwa ni change in T, molar mass of solute, mass of solvent divided by mass of solute times F1. So change in T tuipata ni 8, molar mass of solute 180, mass of solvent ni 50, mass of solute ni 15 na hiyo F1. So tukicalculate hapo cryoscopic constant tutapata ni 8 mara 180 mara 50 gawanya kwa 15 na 1000. So tutapata ni 4.8 degrees Celsius per m. That is cryoscopic constant in our case, ambayo ya hili swali ambalo niliandika. In our case, cryoscopic constant ni hiyo. So let's move to another question. Let's move to another question. So this is our question. This is our question number 2. Anasema kwamba when is 0.946 of glucose is dissolved in 150 grams of water, the resulting mixture solution is observed to have freezing point of this one. Then what is the corresponding molecular weight of glucose? Kwa hiyo tunachokifanya pale kwamba tumepewa data given. This mass of solute 0.946 gram. From there, mass of solvent is sawa 150 gram. Then from there, freezing point ya solution T solution is sawa negative 0.0651 degrees Celsius. Haya, toka hapo kishatoka kwenye freezing point ya solution, tunafahamu freezing point ya water ni 0. So freezing point ya solvent ni 0. That is to say, change in T ni sawa na T ya solvent minus T ya solution. So change in T itakuwa ni temperature solvent minus the solution. That is to say ni 0 minus negative 0.0651 degrees Celsius. We will get 0.0651 degrees Celsius. There is change in T. Lakini swali la kwanza, what is the corresponding molecular weight of glucose? What is the corresponding molecular weight of glucose? Corresponding molecular weight of glucose. Manake, change in T is equal to mass of solute mara Kf mara F1. Molar mass of solute. Solving for this, tutapata molar mass of solute ni Kf mass of solute mara F1 divided by change in T. Tumepewa Kf hapa chini 1.86. So maana yake hapa ni very easy. Tunaingiza tu 1.86 mara mass of solute 0.946 mara 1000 gawanya kwa change in T ambayo ni 0.0651 times mass of solvent 150. Kwa hiyo kutoka hapo tutakuwa tuna 1.86 times 0.946 times 1000 gawanya kwa 0.0651 mara 150. Tutapata ni 180.19. This will be the molecular mass of glucose. Lakini tulipewa the simplest formula of glucose, which is empirical formula. Simplest formula of glucose tulipewa CH2O, which is empirical formula. Then we were asking about the molecular formula of glucose. So hiyo ni hesabu ya form 2 hapo, kutoa empirical kwenda molecular formula. So tutasema molecular mass ni sawa na empirical formula times N. So from there molecular mass, which is 180, ni sawasawa na CH2O times N. 180 ni sawasawa na 12 plus 2 plus 16 times N. 180 itakuwa sana. Hapa manake ni 14 jumlisha 16 ni 30. So it is 30 divided by 30 by 30. N will be is equal to 6. So N ikishakuwa sawa 6, tunacalculate molecular formula. Calculate molecular formula, we get a molecular formula is equal to empirical formula, then times N. So empirical formula is CH2O times 6, which will be C6 H12O6. So this will be our molecular formula of glucose. Will be our molecular formula of glucose. From there, we may have a question number 3. Okay. This is not the question for the freezing point. I think I have mixed some questions here. This is not the question for freezing point. Okay, anyway, it's for boiling, but it is the part of exercise. I'll dissolve it. In 500 grams of water. Calculate the boiling point of the solution. So it is solid in the boiling point elevation, lakini it was part of the exercise. The question is easy, of course. We are given mass of solid. This is not solvent, it is solid. So 2.41 of solid T, you are given a molecular mass are dissolved in 50 grams of water. Then boiling point ya water unaijua. Kwa hapa ni kutafuta boiling point elevation, yani change in T. Na ukishapata boiling point elevation, unaenda unatafuta nini? Boiling point of the solution, ambao unachukua boiling point ya water 100 unajumlisha hiyo elevation. Kwa hiyo the question is na nitaliacha tu ufanye. You can submit it in my Telegram. you can submit it in my Telegram. There are other questions in the notes, but all of these questions sijaona swali ambalo ni challenge kabisa, yani hauwezi kulifanya. Kama ungekuwa kuna swali ambalo ni challenge kabisa, you can't do it, ningelifanya ili kwamba to make sure kwamba tunaenda pamoja. So up to here kuna maswali hapa kama manne hivi kwenye notes. You will found them and you can take them with the part of quiz before looking for the solution. You can solve by your own understanding, and then later you can go in the notes and then you can see umefanya vipi hayo maswali na umeperform vipi au umezaje kuyapata. Again, if we revisit other books such as Ngaiza, if we visit Lamsden, if we revisit Understanding Chemistry, if we revisit Chandi, and any book, if we meet with any question ambayo litakushinda about the colligative properties, especially hizi tulizo discuss na zile ambazo tutaendelea kudiscuss, don't fear to contact me through my Telegram, and then I can resolve anything. I can solve for you everything. So thank you, and let me wish you nice studies. In the next session, we'll start osmotic pressure as another colligative property which we will discuss. We'll discuss about osmotic pressure. So thank you, and let me wish you nice studies.